People, welcome back to Politics Watch. This is RP. Now today I'm going to talk about the incidents that took place, not just on Mountain View Avenue, but of course West Kingston. You know West Kingston just can't stay out of the news. Now, I can start with Mountain View. You may have seen an article, maybe on Loop or Observer, and it basically described two Nannyville residents, right, who get shot up in an ambush. They were driving in a Toyota Probox, and them come from a hardware store, at the back of the car full of cement and thing. Sound like a typical resident going for a typical trip to the hardware store, but it went wrong. Except these were no typical residents. One of them on them was the Don for Nannyville. Yes, era leader, run off place. Seems the man them trail them, or have somebody that watch them, whatever the case may be, as them get upon Mountain View Avenue, near the National Stadium. Man them attack. The pictures in the pan Loop, you can see car full of hole, typical 87 style. Luckily, not a car would have passed by because it's a very busy area. If you know that stretch of road, right, it's always busy with traffic. Right? And luckily, it look like say the Excelsior school has them never out. Right? Maybe because a big see them up on the road or what, but nobody else got caught in it, fortunately. So, as I was saying, the Don for Nannyville was one of the people who got shot, and he's actually alive, still in the hospital. The next person, right, Keno, well, he lost his life. So I don't know what we want to know. Because by now you should know all them things that work. If just a regular 87 in any system get shot up, cause reprisals and all kind of madness to start, imagine a one when the Don himself gets shot. Now, we never notice Dons in Jamaica are very accessible. See, the word Don, most people think of some old time mafia show or big powerful man when nobody care. Jamaican Dons are accessible. What Mr. Accessible mean? Almost anybody can get to them. You see, your favorite Don move around like say him a normal citizen. That's why you find the youth will lose him life in a town. Him a era leader. Him a run off. Him own a gang. And him a igla under a town a cell. You ever which other country know Don behave like that? Because in Jamaica, Don thing is just like the 87 thing, a gimmicks. Yes, me know him can send 5 man to come shoot up the place and give you 20 rounds. Yes, I've heard it all before. Doesn't change reality. Don thing a Jamaica a joke thing. Gone buy cement. Have cement in a car, we don't care. The cement, cement heavy, so the poor car couldn't even go no fast, so they couldn't even probably drive out the man them because the weight of the cement probably slow them down. Right. But your favorite Don, the amount of time I've been to places, just normal places like go eat or so, or go go out and say I got a good time, right? And somebody touch me and say, say the Don there for so and so, I'm like, oh, him that? Oh. Jamaican Dons are accessible. The reason why enough of them live so long is because nobody really want them food. That is why when people actually want to get rid of them so easy to get rid of. Most of these Dons the people hype up. Or them want to run off over here and run off over there, so actually they really provoke nobody was serious like that. They're very accessible. And the moment they provoke somebody who decides, you know what, I'm going to be more Don. Right, well, matter of fact, this is what happened right here, so because you don't know, due to the nature of the work where this brother, I steady broke short, so I can't anybody touch him. Right, but recently there was an altercation, right? Man get boxed up. It got ready. Done box up man and flash knife on man and all them thing there. Right. And then this go happen, so it's possibly it's a reprisal for that, but as I said, due to the nature of the facts is done. I don't know. in time we're gonna find out what going on. The incident just take place. Right, and I just start making the video at the same time. So by the time you hear this, I probably have more information, but this is just to put it out there because I already can't sleep on the papers say they must say residents. When you read these stories in the papers, right, 2 Nannyville residents, sometimes, the public get the impression say, just a man I walk down the road. It's a normal residents that go about in business. No. But this is badness. Just like with the case, right? With Duckmouth, sound like, a higgler. No, he wasn't just no higgler. Right. My runoff gang. Right. We're going to hear more about this still and I'll update you as I get it. Right, but because I know an evil man name's there, this is tricky. Right. Especially seeing as how it look like so they don't go leave. Things are probably going to get ugly. Because one thing with Nannyville, them they shot a gun. And people who know Mountain View know say, when them get idle and start fire shot, just for idleness, it can go on for hours. That's was my fire shot for idleness. So imagine when they might do it, right? Out of some kind of malice or vengeance. So if we see how that one work out. Anyway, let's move on to West Kingston. So we're hearing reports say West Kingston, the constituency just can't stay out of the news. The constituency just refuse, right, for just stay quiet. There are reports say car fly through the area, start fire, be a shot on a crowd of people. Right. News say 2 people lose them life, couple others injured. Right. Again, these are preliminary reports. But from what I hear, it sounds like something will come out of an old time Western movie. Right. Because the amount of rounds are trade. And you can tell a various calibers, so more than likely the security forces got involved because I can hear the distinct sound of a 5.56. Right. The M16 like a special sound. But then there are other weapons firing that definitely are not M16s. So, we're going to see how this one turn out. You see, all have to understand, West Kingston, the residents in West Kingston, I mean I talk about the non-combatants, people who not actively involved in the badness, people who not directly tied in the gangs. Surely them people need some kind of therapy by now. Because imagine the average child who born and grow in West Kingston. Them would hear more shot in their lifetime than many people who are members of the security forces, especially because you have some police when are really active in the streets like that. Right. You have members of JDF who are really active in the streets like that. Right. For them role and make them go up on the road and involved in a shootout. So you have Pitney in West Kingston who would hear more shot in them lifetime than police and soldier. Right. Them that hear more bawling and pleading and begging in them lifetime. And they need therapy. And somewhere down the line, them youths are gonna need some kind of counseling. And even the adults them too. You know Jamaica really have a culture there, right? We're seeking help, right, and getting therapy and everything that is normalized. It's not. But I can't see all them youths there. We grow in a garden, then on town and them places. I can't see how, right, they cannot be affected in the long run by the madness. Because gunshot make big man get PTSD. The sounds, the screams make big man, adults, lose sleep at night time, turn to J-Ray and nephew. Right. Make some turn to all stronger stuff than that for cope. Right. Now I understand obviously youths don't directly involve in a, for example, the shootouts, but they may not hear no fight. Right. People have your head on a bed and everything, they shut a fly through window. enough of the youths them from these communities, enough of the non-combatants from these quote-unquote bad man place surely need some kind of counseling. Because them brother shot down area of fire when I was Kingston on a normal night. Remember, you know, it's not like say no big incursion or go on or no all out civic. This is just, it was just a normal night in West Kingston. So your favorite activists need to help push them thing there. Your favorite politician, if you're entertainer. But who am I kidding? They don't actually care about nobody. Right? They don't actually care about the people. Every now and then they might drop a one quote to get some likes and keep it moving, but yeah. Non-combatants need counseling, I think. See, Jamaica in 2021 is so acidic. But I don't want to make it sound like a just 2021, but yeah. Jamaica has become so destructive that normal people, was me say, they join the police and they join the military. The man on the security guard, the man on the coast guard, nothing like that. Still live like say them in them feel it because them constantly hear shot of fire and the chaos and the run up and down and if you hide and them a live like say them inner, right? Or them dip on the front line when they are not. Regular civilians are in the mix, regular people. Right? Go work and can't them can't even walk properly because them tired. They couldn't sleep the night before too much shot fire. People are asleep and wake up in them bed, a sweat, cold sweat to wash them. Because them have nightmare, they remember the incident that took place 3 days before. Normal people, these are not soldiers. You expect these things to happen to soldiers and police and them people. That's the next thing. Enough JSAF and JDF need counseling. I know say it's provided, but again there's a culture of, you can't really go to. Not that you can, but there's a culture of, well, I don't want to be the one to seem like, say, I can't manage the pressure, so I don't want to go talk to no counselor. The man named JDF and JSAF. Step forward for phone counseling too. And what the fuck, you know what, the whole Jamaica need counseling. Forget it, I said already, Jamaica need national counseling. Even though we're an island, officially we're not involved in a civil war. Officially we're not being invaded by a foreign force and continent. But based on the numbers that we see, when you attack murder charge for the whole region, possibly the whole world, then you might as well be. We're losing people at a far greater rate than countries that actually in a civil war. Anyway, by the time this video come out, I'll have a better picture of what went down in West Kingston and even a Mountain View they done. Right, so until then, people stay safe. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Look out for a video if you drop shortly after this. But if you go look on a robbery video there, cause something don't look right to me. PIA, I don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.